Are you looking to receive a flu vaccine in Dungannon? Flu can be more serious than you think, so protect yourself this winter by getting vaccinated. The flu is a highly infectious disease. It is caused by viruses that are spread from person to person, therefore antibiotics cannot help treat flu symptoms. Common symptoms of the flu include a sudden fever, a dry chesty cough, a headache, tiredness, aching muscles, nausea and vomiting, a sore throat, a runny or blocked nose, and sneezing. The symptoms of flu usually develop within 1 to 3 days of becoming infected, and symptoms can persist for a couple of weeks. It can be difficult to tell if you have the flu or just a cold, as the symptoms can be quite similar. The main differences are that flu symptoms will come on quickly, will usually include fever and aching muscles, and will make you feel too unwell to continue daily activities. Whereas cold symptoms usually come on gradually, will mainly affect your nose and throat, and are mild enough that you can still get around to work. The flu can be an unpleasant experience for those that are usually fit and healthy, but in some cases it leads to serious illnesses such as pneumonia or bronchitis, or make existing conditions even worse, resulting in a stay in hospital, or even in severe cases it can cause death. You have an increased risk of severe consequences from contracting the flu if you fit into one of the following groups. If you're pregnant, age 65 or over, live in a residential or nursing home, if you're the main carer for an elderly or disabled person, also if you are an adult or child with one of the following illnesses: a chronic chest condition such as asthma, a chronic heart condition, chronic liver or kidney disease, diabetes, lowered immunity, a chronic neurological condition such as stroke or MS, or if you are very overweight. If you have any other serious medical conditions, ask your doctor if a flu vaccination is advisable. If you fall into one of these at-risk groups, or even if you don't, but are still interested in getting a flu vaccine in Dungannon, simply drop into Gordons Chemists or call the branch to speak to one of our highly trained pharmacists in order to confirm your eligibility for vaccination. The flu vaccine protects against the 3 most common strains of flu likely to be circulating. The viruses can change every year, which is why people should be vaccinated annually. The flu vaccine stimulates your body's immune system to produce antibodies to attack the flu virus. This means if you are subsequently exposed to the flu virus, your immune system can respond immediately. It may take 10 to 14 days for your body to fully build up immunity after you have had the vaccine. Many people believe the flu vaccine can give them the flu, but as the vaccine is made from deactivated parts of the flu virus and does not contain any live virus, it cannot cause flu. You may get a sore arm at the site of the injection or a mild fever for a day or 2 after the vaccination, although serious side effects are uncommon. If you have had an allergic reaction to a previous flu vaccine, an allergy to eggs or chicken, or if you are pregnant, you should speak to your GP as we will not be able to administer the vaccine. Gordons Chemists have specially trained pharmacists who can provide flu vaccine in Dungannon and in other towns across Northern Ireland. Why not avoid having to wait for your nurse or GP and make use of Gordons Chemists drop-in flu vaccination service? You can also call ahead to arrange a time that suits you to get your flu vaccine in Dungannon at our Scotch Street branch. Why not stay safe this winter?